Hi guys, I went to the store to pick up some soil and I couldn't resist taking a look at the succulent section. I found these three little hairy cactus and had to bring them home. I love cacti with fuzzy hair on them. I think they look so interesting and unique and they're just fascinating to look at. The hairs on the cactus are supposed to protect the plant from frost and sun. I'll be repotting these and giving a short description on each one. I have already prepared a pot here and filled it with cactus potting mix combined with perlite. I'll be putting them all together in this pot right here. So let me go ahead and get started. So let me start with this first one here. On the label, it just said Opuntia prickly pear snow. It didn't specify the type, it just said prickly pear snow. It's hard to find a more specific name for it. If you know what this is called, please comment down below. I would really appreciate the info. Let me give you a quick care guide about prickly pears in general. Prickly pears prefer full sun for faster growth. During winter, they tolerate less light. They need soil that drains well. Allow soil to completely dry out between thorough waterings. Cut back on watering during the winter. They can tolerate up to around 30 degrees Fahrenheit or -1 degree Celsius. Many prickly pear species have good cold tolerance. It generally does well in regions that have mild winters and hot summers with low humidity. Let me show you how it looks up close. The next one has this name on the label. I have another old man cactus that's very similar to this, but bigger than this because I've had it for years. I'll insert a video of it right here. I think this is such a beautiful and unique looking plant and I just love it. So a quick care guide about this plant. It needs full sun or bright indoor light. Cold hardy up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit or -6 degrees Celsius. It can survive short frosts, but needs to be kept very dry. It needs a well-draining soil and allow for soil to dry out completely before watering again. It can produce flowers that are often pink in color and very showy in appearance. And these can grow over 12 feet tall. Here's how it looks up close. The third one just said Pilocereus species on the label, but I think this is its full name, although I'm not entirely sure. If you know, please help me out and comment down below. I would appreciate it. So these are frost hardy up to 28 degrees Fahrenheit or -2 degrees Celsius. Light shade to full sun are tolerated. These can grow over 20 feet or 6 meters tall. Let me show you how it looks up close. So let me go ahead and transplant them into this planter. I like to repot my newly bought plants to ensure that they are in the right potting mix. Make sure you're wearing gloves when handling these. They may look cute, but it can still really hurt when pricked. Here's how they look a little over a week later. I've watered them only once since transplanting into this planter. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. I also have a playlist of related topics that you can check out down below. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy gardening! Bye!